Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Now the exterior color is a black, and under the hood we have a 2.4-liter inline-4 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our projection-style headlamps with our halogen high and low beam lights, as well as a pair of fog lamps. Over at the side we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Goodyear tires, as well as we have our chrome mirror caps with our chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and on top we have our roof rails. At the rear we have our Equinox all-wheel drive and Premier badging. We also have our reverse camera and our power liftgate, and at our rear window we have an embedded defroster with our wiper blade attached. At the interior of our Equinox we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as we have our power windows, power adjustable mirrors, as well as power locks, as well as our mirrors are also heated. Over at our steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as we have our cruise control settings, and on the right we have our hands-free and volume controls. As we look up we have our auto dimming review mirror with our Uconnect options, as well as we have our cabin lights and more cabin lights at the rear. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather which comes with our red stitching, as well as we have our fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger, as well as the driver can enjoy two options of memory seating. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have 94,153 kilometers on our Chevrolet Equinox. And over at our Chevy touchscreen display, we have our radio control, as well as AM and FM, Sirius XM, as well as we can watch the display of our reverse camera. And down below we have our controls for our display, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout our entire cabin, as well as the driver and passenger can both enjoy heated seats. And underneath we have our cubby storage, as well as we have our console lever, which has our manual select option at 6 different speeds with our shifting on top of our knob, as well as we have our dual cup holders with our traction control off, and our center console with loads of center storage space underneath. At our interior we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as we have our power windows, as well as more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, passengers can enjoy a 12-volt adapter. And with their 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we are left with loads of legroom and tons of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this outstanding Equinox, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.